They were very cordial, very polite, very professional. I'm not an expert at it, but I could tell I had some damage on the roof. So I reached out to Pelican Roofing to have them come inspect the roof. Pelican was the last company, but I had a couple of other roof companies come months before. The agent that came out to do my roof, TK, she was very professional. I really asked her if she owned a business when I first met her. She's very professional, knew everything that she was doing. They were very cordial, very polite, very professional. They did a good job, and one thing I was worried about was nails in my yard, and I hadn't found a nail in my yard after the job has been completed. So they really cleaned up, they moved the furniture, patio furniture, and put everything back in place. Reach out to Pelican because they're very professional, they know what they're doing, they take time out with the clients, really explain everything, and it's a very good company that I would recommend.